Hi guys, welcome back to Winnfrey's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare the best kachumbari. Let's get started. First, cut your onions into cube shapes. Chop your tomatoes into cubes. Add the tomatoes. Finally, chop the coriander leaves and add them into the bowl. Cut the lemon into half and squeeze the juice into the bowl. Add salt and pepper to taste. Mix everything together and the kachumbari is ready. Follow for more.